Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Nuruzzaman, assistant teacher, Kaliganj Uddin Public Pilot High School. Today we are going to learn a very important thing, especially the students of class 6. In this lesson, we will learn what is articles, how many kinds of articles, and how we use articles in our daily sentences. I hope you all enjoy the lesson. Let's get started. At first, we will know what is article. A and the are called articles. I think it is clear to you. Then we will learn how many kinds of articles. There are two kinds of articles. There are two categories. The first is indefinite and definite. What is indefinite? A and are called indefinite. Similarly, the is called definite. Okay. A is used before singular noun. Sorry. The is used before singular and plural nouns. I think it is clear to you. Now let's move how we use articles in our daily sentences. There are two rules to use indefinite articles. It's called normal rules. Now we will discuss these rules. The first rule is consonant beginning words. The words which starts with consonant, you have to use before A. Similarly, vowels beginning words. I mean, the words which starts with vowel, we will use an. I think you know what is vowels. I hope you will all know vowels. Just I repeat you. A, E, I, O, U. If 5 are called vowels. You know there are 26 letters in alphabet. 5 are called vowels and rest of the letters, I think 21 letters are consonant. I think you know about it. Okay. Now we are going to, here is some example. Duster, pen, book. In this word, you will see the first letter of duster is D. It is consonant and you have to use A. Similarly, here is a word, it is pen. The first letter of pen is consonant. That's why we use A. The third one, here is another example. The first letter of this word is B, that is consonant, and we use A. I think it is clear to you, consonant beginning words. Now let's move the second example. Dash, elephant. Dash, orange. Ink pot. In this example, you can see the first letter of elephant is vowel. That's why we use here N. I think it is clear to you. You can do that. Just look at the examples. Here is another word. It is orange and the first letter is O, that is vowel, and we will use N. Similarly, we will use here N. I think both examples are related with these rules. Thank you. Now we will move the exceptional rules. There are 4 kinds of exceptional rules. We will discuss one by one. The first rule is A is used before 1. We will use always A before 1. Look at the example. One-eyed man. The word is one, and we will know before the rule 1 we will always use A. Here we use A. The second example. One-legged boy. Similarly, the first word is one, that's why we use A. Another example. Another example is one-sided match. Here is the first word is one, that's why we use A. Do you clear what is one-sided match? One-sided match, I just clear to you. Just suppose a match between Bangladesh and Argentina, they played a football match. What will happen? Everyone will guess Bangladesh will receive more goals. Just change the game. Same team, but they are playing a cricket match. What happened? Bangladesh will win the match by a big margin. I think you are clear what is one-sided match. Okay, finally I will give you another example. Oasis. Oasis, the first letter is O. It's not one. The first letter is O, and we have already learned before the normal rules, and here we will use N. I think it is clear to you. Now we will move the exceptional rules 2. Now we will discuss the exceptional rules 2. Look at the board. The first letter of a word is vowel, but the pronunciation is like U. Then you have to use A. I think we will give an example. I think it is clear all the problems. Here is the example. University. European. In this word, you can see the first letter of the word is U. That's we are already mentioned. The pronunciation is like U. You cannot use here N. You have to use A. Similarly, in the word European, and if you pronounce the European, automatically it's come to you U. That's why we cannot use N. You have to use A. I just repeat the rules again. If the words start with any kinds of vowel, but the pronunciation is like U, then you have to use A, not N. I think it is clear to all you. Now we will move the exceptional rules 3. Let's move the exceptional rules 3. In this rule, you can see the rule is if acronym's first letter is F, H, L, M, N, R, S, X, that is if 4 letters, you have to use N. For example, MA, LLB, NGO. In this example, you can see the first letter of MA is M. Here is M. That's why you have to use N. Similarly, LLB. Here is the first letter L, and you can see here is L. That's why you have to use N. Similarly, NGO, non-government organization, here you can also use N. I think it is clear to you, if any acronym's first letter is start with F, H, L, M, N, R, S, X, you have to use N. But here is another example. My brother is BA. BA means Bachelor of Arts. Here you can see the first letter of BA is B. Here is B. You can check it. No, there is no B. That's why you have to use A. I think it is clear to all. Now we will move the exceptional rules 4. In this rule, you can see if the first letter of a word is H, that means any kinds of words, and the words start with H, and the pronunciation of H is silent. That means we use the word, but when we pronounce this word, we just silent the H. And here is an example. I think it is clear to all. If the first letter of a word is H and the pronunciation of H is silent, then you will use N. For example, honest, hour. In this example, you can see the word start with H. And when we pronounce this word, it is not honest, it is honest. That's why we will use here N. Similarly, here is another example. I hope it is clear to you after this example. Here is a word. Is it hour or hour? I think you all know it. It is hour. We use only hour, but we cannot pronounce H. That's why H here silent, and that's why we have to use here N. Okay, I just repeat the rules again. If the first letter of a word is H and the pronunciation of H is silent, then you will use N. Here is another example. You can see he is working dash hospital. What kind of article you use here? A or and? I think here is a confusion. I will clear to you. Here, if you pronounce this word, not hospital, it is hospital. That's why we will use here A, not an. I think both examples and rules, hope you will understand. I hope you all enjoy that lesson. I hope it is very, very useful to you. If any problem creates, if any problem, you just write down the comment box. I will give you the answer later. Stay home and stay safe. Now, I will give you some homework. Just copy this homework, and when the school open, you will just show your teacher and check it. I hope we will meet very soon, and till then, Allah Hafiz.